actually cold, and my voice, I'm sounding somehow. Sounding somehow. It's another day. It's another day in the village. I'm still wearing the same shirt, but not the same day. This is the second day. I'm wearing the same shirt because I wasn't expecting the kind of weather that we have here. Although I know that it's more it's more hot in the city than in the village. Yeah, that's why we don't normally come here in winter. We only come here in summer, but I wasn't expecting the weather to be this cold. So I've just been repeating my shirts, and thank God I came with this this is what I've been wearing on top of my bras. So guys, like I said, it's not gonna be nice if I don't really show you guys the actual village, what the whole place looks like. Right now we are going to the actual village, around the area and everything. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, you're gonna see what I'm be showing you guys. So we're just gonna take a walk and show you guys the whole place. One thing I love about this place is the serenity. Is so calm, quiet. It's so quiet, and I love it so much. First of all, let me show you guys the views from my windows. Let me show you guys. Look at the view from my window, guys. You see? Nothing around. We have one house here. We have another one at my right hand side. Oh, look at that. Those have 2 cows here. Yeah. Very, very quiet. We're gonna be heading to this side, and this is the side we came from. So we're going to this side of the village. So see you guys.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts.
The jingle that I told you guys about. You know what? You know the videos that in the video that I announced that I'll be coming to the village. I said the village is almost like my village in Nigeria. Someone said, that's not true, you're lying. No, it can't be. Let me tell you guys something. That I've been trying to upload a video since yesterday. I kid you not, the video is still around 80%. I've not been able to upload the video. So that's more reason I just want to go back to my city, because this place is not good for us content creators. It's not good for YouTubers, because if I should stay here I will not be able to upload my videos. So after a few minutes of walking, I think there is a house here. Finally we have a house here. Someone is living here. Oh, c'est joli ça. Yeah. Let me see. In the city I was feeling like summer, baby. I was feeling like it's summer already, but coming to the village, at what I'm wearing. Beautiful. I love this view, guys. What do you think? And here is our house. Look at our blue windows. Beautiful. Look at that.
Et là, tu vas rester là, tu vas...
What do they have here? Nothing. Okay. This is the kind of houses they have here. This one is not bad. But these are the kind of houses they have here. No long buildings, no 5 stories, just village houses. I've not seen anybody since I've been here. Okay, maybe 1 or 2. No, they just drive past, that's all. And there used to be cows here too. I don't know why they removed them. Big cows. Ah. Coucou. Il vient. T'as vu, il vient? Non, elle va venir. Hein?
Non, mais
Il veut pas sortir là.
Mais comment tu fais ça? Tu n'as pas défoncé la barrière?
Tu m'as pas dit la défoncer.
Mais faut qu'il ait peur là.
Okay.
Faut que tu rentres dedans, faut que tu lui fasses peur.
Il arrive. Viens, Evan, viens déjà. Papa, Evan, come here. Non, il est pas grand, mais voilà. Merci. Guys, I'm scared. They are living there. Oh. Moi, je bois pas du lait, tu sais. Hein?
Ça vient de là, le lait.
Ouais, je sais, ça vient de là. Juste, moi, je prends pas de lait. Oh my God, this one is very big. Evan, look. Oh, wow. Il fait caca là.
T'as vu, Loulou?
T'as vu, il fait caca?
Oh là là, ça reste collé au cul.
Ouais.
Oh là là. Oh là là. Ah, si elle s'essuie avec la queue. Ah non, mais fais pas de bruit.
Why are they following us? Love it. Si j'ai mal les jambes.